Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Picklewitz with your writing lesson for Tuesday, September 1st. It is a new month. Last month was August. Today is the first month of September. So, woohoo! Yay for that. Alright, so this week in writing we're working on 10 black dots. You're going to need your journal. We're going to do another sentence strip picture. You're going to need your writing practice sheet because we're going to practice writing the uppercase T, the big T. You'll need your Expo marker. And when we are done, you're going to do your big T practice writing paper on your own. And you're going to practice your name on your name papers. So that is Tuesday's writing. All right, 10 black dots. So I want you to listen for all the things in the story that the black dots are part of. And at the end of the story, pause the video, and with your adult, make a list. Try to remember at least 3 things. And if you can remember 3 things, try to remember 2 more things, and you can remember 5. And if you can remember more, then just keep going until you can't remember anymore. 10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz. He's the author and the illustrator, so he wrote all the words and he drew all the pictures. What can you do with 10 black dots? 1 dot can make a sun or a moon when day is done. 2 dots can make the eyes of a fox or the eyes of keys that open locks. 3 dots can make a snowman's face or beads for stringing on lace. 4 dots can make seeds grow from which flowers grow, or the knobs on a radio. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat or the portholes of a boat. 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new, the rest are old. Half of 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake or stones turned up by a garden rake. 8 dots can make the wheels of a train carrying freight through sun and rain. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in rank. 4 the pennies in your piggy bank. 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. 4 shake the branch and set them free. 5 count them, are they there? Really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. Let's look at the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you want, you can pause the video and you can count all the dots in each row. And that's the end. So the dots can really be part of a lot of things. The black dots in that book are so many different things. And this is where I want you to pause the video and make a list with your adult. Now that you've made your list, we're going to use our journals and we're going to do a writing activity kind of like we did yesterday. Yesterday we did I see a, and you picked anything in the room. Now you're going to pick something in the room that goes together, like a desk and chair, or table and chair, or a ball and bat, or a TV and remote, or anything that is paired together. A plate and cup, something that you can pair together. A sock and shoe. You're not going to draw a picture of a bag of chips and a jacket, because they really don't go together. So find something in the room that goes together, and then you're going to open up your journal and draw a picture of it, and you're going to finish the sentence starter. You're going to fill in the blanks. I see. Oh, Miss Pickowitz left out the word A. Let me squeeze that in. Right there. I made a mistake. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. But you're going to say, I see a blank and a blank. And then make sure you have that period, because we're writing a sentence, and a sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period, which a period is also at least in this sentence, a black dot. So I see a and a. You're going to write that in your journal on the next page on the lines, and then draw a picture of it. And then you can pause the video to work on that, or you can put it to the side and finish it later. I'll hold it up one more time. Pause the video and write it down. I see a and a. So what do you see that goes together? You fill in the words of your matching pair on each line. So then we're going to also work on letter practice. So we're going to make uppercase T's today. So we're going to use our dry erase board, which is our lined paper in the plastic, and we're going to make uppercase T's. So we're going to start at the skyline after we put our top on our marker. You take our top off our marker and put it on the end, then you can't lose it. Or you can set it up and down like I showed you last week. But we're going to start at the skyline, and kind of like we're making a lowercase t, start at the skyline, make a line all the way down to the grass line, and stop. But you have to go all the way to the grass line. Don't go under it. Don't go to the worm line. Then you're not going to make your line above the plane line. You're going to make your line on the skyline. So you're going to use the skyline to make your line. And that's uppercase T. Then we're going to put a finger there so we don't make our T's too close together. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, and stop. Then make a line on the skyline, a smaller line, and there's your uppercase T, your big T. Let's do it one more time. Finger space, skyline, down to the grass line. Then make a line across the top of the T. on the skyline. And that's uppercase T. And we will do that some more tomorrow. And then when you're done making your uppercase T's, you get a tissue or a napkin and you can wipe your board off. Just like that, so we can use it next time. Then you're going to do this paper on your own. And where there's a T, you're going to follow the lines and make the T's after you write your N-A-M-E name. Then you're going to make your own T's where all the black dots are. Then fill in the words. T is for tiger. T is for turtle. Finish writing the words and you can color the pictures. Then, of course, have to do your name practice. And that is our writing lesson for Tuesday. Have a great day.